Greetings, fellow photography enthusiasts. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the realm of full-frame mirrorless cameras. What sets them apart from the rest? Which models stand out as the best in 2024? Stick around as we delve into the world of cutting-edge technology and sleek design. A mirrorless camera, a true game-changer in the ever-evolving landscape of digital photography. No cumbersome reflex-type mechanism, no bulky design like the traditional DSLRs. These sleek devices not only redefine portability but also deliver exceptional video quality and come packed with advanced features. Now, let's explore the top 5 contenders that are making waves in the world of photography in 2024. Our first contender is the Panasonic Lumix DC-S5. Boasting a 24MP full-frame mirrorless camera, this beauty shares the same sensor as its higher-priced S1 model, all neatly packed into an attractive and affordable body. What's truly remarkable is that, despite housing a full-frame sensor, the S5 manages to be smaller than its Micro Four Thirds counterpart, the GH5. Moreover, this camera is AI-enabled, adding a layer of sophistication to its functionality and ensuring an intuitive operation for a seamless shooting experience. Let's explore the key features. The 24MP full-frame sensor ensures stunning resolution, while the inclusion of dual SD card slots adds convenience. The camera's AI capabilities enhance subject tracking, and with a 96MP multi-shot high-resolution mode, it's a powerhouse for capturing intricate details. Despite its compact size, it doesn't compromise on performance. Pros: great resolution, full-frame 4K video shooting up to 30p and 60p, excellent subject tracking with Panasonic's DFD system, smaller and more affordable body compared to its predecessors. Cons: slow max burst rate, contrast-based autofocus system, autofocus, AF, seems to have a fluttering issue. Moving on to the Sony a7 IV, the fourth generation of Sony's primary full-frame mirrorless camera model. This camera has undergone numerous enhancements since the release of its predecessor, the a7 III, in February 2018. Notably, it excels in autofocus and interface design, making it a standout choice for content creators, especially in the dynamic world of YouTube. Let's delve into its key features. The 33MP BSI CMOS full-frame sensor ensures exceptional stills and video quality, while its 4K 60p video capabilities, coupled with S-Cinetone, make it a go-to choice for videographers. With up to 10 frames per second shooting and a versatile ISO range, the a7 IV stands tall in various shooting scenarios. Pros: 10-bit 4K video capabilities, vari-angle LCD touchscreen for an enhanced user experience, 33MP full-frame sensor provides great stills and video quality, powerful AF system. Cons: frame rate for lossless compressed shots is 6 frames per second, which may be slow for action specialists. Rear display is not as crisp as some competitors. Now let's turn our attention to the eagerly anticipated Nikon Z8. While details on this camera are still sparse, the buzz around it is hard to ignore. Expected to feature a 24.8MP full-frame XP CPU, the same sensor and processor as Nikon's Z9 sports camera, the Z8 is poised to offer high image quality with top-notch performance. Though details are scarce, the anticipated features of the Nikon Z8 are intriguing. The 45.7 effective megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, coupled with 5-axis in-body image stabilization, promises crisp and stable shots. With an ISO range catering to various lighting conditions, this camera is expected to be a versatile tool for photographers and videographers alike. Pros: 24.8MP full-frame XP CPU for K video capabilities, fast and accurate autofocus system, improved focus and operational speed compared to its predecessors, well priced for its category. Cons: image quality may be similar to the less expensive Nikon D850, relatively low-resolution viewfinder. Now let's dive deeper into the enticing features of the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, a true gem in the world of full-frame mirrorless cameras. This 24MP powerhouse is not just a camera, it's a creative tool that's making waves among photography enthusiasts and videographers alike, especially with the added allure of festive discounts that are generating quite a buzz within the photography community. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II packs a punch in terms of features. With UHD 4K video recording, a 24.2 MP CMOS sensor, and the ability to shoot 6K ProRes RAW video, it caters to the demands of both photographers and videographers. It's not just a camera, it's a creative tool for capturing moments with precision. As with any piece of technology, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II has its strengths and areas for improvement. Let's weigh the pros and cons to give you a comprehensive overview. Pros: enjoy the benefits of 10-bit video, allowing for more nuanced color grading and a richer visual experience. The fast burst shooting capabilities ensure you never miss a moment, making it ideal for both photography and movie shooting scenarios. Cons: while the EOS R6 Mark II excels in many aspects, it does come with some limitations. The low-resolution stills mode might be a concern for those prioritizing still photography, and the battery life, though reasonable, may require strategic management during prolonged shooting sessions. Finally, let's explore the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV, a camera that embodies simplicity and functionality. This lightweight, 20MP mirrorless camera is tailored for beginners and enthusiasts who seek exceptional stills but may find themselves compromising on certain video features. Let's break down its offerings. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV carries a set of features that make it an appealing choice for those who prioritize simplicity and quality in their photography experience. 20-megapixel Live MOS sensor. The camera's 20MP Live MOS sensor ensures that every shot is packed with detail and clarity, capturing the essence of the scene with precision. 121-point contrast detect AF system. The 121-point contrast detect AF system enhances the camera's autofocus capabilities, ensuring that your subjects are sharp and well-defined, even in challenging lighting conditions. 4.5 frames per second burst shooting with AF. Whether you're capturing a dynamic scene or a fleeting moment, the OMD EM10 Mark IV's 4.5 frames per second burst shooting with autofocus ensures that you don't miss the action. Up to 360 shots per charge. With the ability to capture up to 360 shots per charge, this camera provides a reliable and enduring companion for your photography adventures. Like any camera, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV has its strengths and considerations. Let's delve into its pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Pros: the built-in image stabilizer enhances video and low-light shooting, providing a stable platform for capturing moments. The 4K video quality, with the capability to shoot up to 120 frames per second, opens up creative possibilities. Additionally, the camera's excellent subject detection ensures that your focus is where it needs to be. Cons: while the OMD EM10 Mark IV excels in many aspects, it does have some limitations. The camera offers limited customization options compared to its competitors, and its autofocus performance may not be suitable for fast-action shooting scenarios. There you have it, a detailed exploration of 5 remarkable full-frame mirrorless cameras in 2024. As you embark on your photography journey, remember that choosing the right camera depends on your unique preferences and needs. Whether you're drawn to the advanced features of the Canon or the simplicity of the Olympus, there's a perfect mirrorless companion waiting for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Click the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in photography gear. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Happy shooting, and I will see you in the next one.